Hello everyone, it's Dan here from Thomas Road Support. I'm just going to take you through using the various gallery boxes within Stack for WordPress. Okay, so what we're looking at here is the demo page, which we've imported locally so we can fiddle around with it properly. And you can see we've got a lovely gallery option here. It's all very nice and filterable. We can have images as well as videos and things as well. I'm just going to show you how it all works. It's not to be confused with the portfolio feed block, which is very similar. This is basically like a separate, incredibly flexible alternative version. So if you want to create loads of different galleries with loads of different content on all loads of pages, this is what you want to do. It's really good. Right, so let's edit the page. And you can see as we scroll up and down, we've got all the demo content and things there. We're not really interested in that at the moment. What I'm going to do is add our own lightbox gallery block here. Okay, so to begin with, the first option I suppose you've got is the category text. Let me just see if I can load up the page again. There we are. So that's the text which is displayed here. Obviously you can have that to whatever you want. So I'm going to put bananas. Spelt terribly. And same for the all categories as well. Loads. I know it's a bit random examples, but I'm just showing you exactly what can be changed. Okay, so now we've added the block, we're going to start adding content to it. The way that we do this is by clicking the plus icon here, add the lightbox gallery content, and here we simply want to give this image a category. So let's try and explain this. This is totally separate to the portfolio, so you can obviously use the portfolio feed to show items that you've added there. This is totally separate, so you can give it its own completely unique category. So let's add, I'm going to put in just building, I don't know why, and I'm going to choose an image. Okay, it wouldn't be a very good example if I only had one thing to filter. So what we're going to do is add a few more images. And I'm going to call this fish. I'm going to add one more. Business. And I'll choose that image there. Okay, so let's update the page and refresh. If we scroll past all the demo content, right at the bottom here, you can see our 3 projects that we've added. We've got our own custom text. We can filter them quite happily as we wish. And they open up in a nice lightbox gallery. Absolutely stunning, really, really simple. Let's go one step further. Let's add another example. Well, this time I'm going to use just the standard image gallery, which is basically the same thing, except it doesn't have the lightbox feature. So in a lot of cases you may not necessarily want people to zoom in on the image, and if that's the case, then this is exactly the option for you. You can, however, link it off to another page if you want to take them to more details or whatever you want. It really is up to you. The deal's pretty much the same though. We give it a category, which is obviously how it's filterable. And then below this we've got a few more options so we can link it to a certain page. Let's just pop in a random link to google.com. We give our own custom title, subtitle, and hit save. The same as last time, we're going to add a few more examples, but this time I'll just clone the one we've got there and change the image. And give it a new category. And let's hit update and refresh. And there we go. We can see we've got our standard gallery here, and when we click on it, off we go to Google. Even though it does give us this weird message. But yeah, you can see how that all works there. Okay, finally, we're going to go for the video gallery option. So I'm just going to delete the block we've just added. And pop in a video gallery. And again, process is basically exactly the same. What we're doing here, however, is adding a video embed URL, which is basically just the URL to the video you want to display. So let me just bring up an example. There we go, simply grab the video URL. I'll head back into the block, pop the URL in, and as normal we're going to give it its own category and the image. This is the image which is displayed before the video, which the user clicks on. Okay, so let's hit save. Just refresh the page one more time. And there is our video. Obviously click on there, and there you go. So that's it, that's the gallery blocks within Stack for WordPress. I do hope this video has been useful. If you do need any more help or have any questions, do come see me over at support. Thanks for watching.